Take your thin film research to the next level with infinityPV's precision-engineered slot die heads. Designed for high-performance coating in applications like batteries, pharmaceuticals, or solar cells, our slot die heads are available in stainless steel, titanium, and PEEK in widths ranging from 40 to 305 millimeters. Getting ready to coat is fast and easy. Start by assembling the slot die head. Attach the meniscus guide to the back part of the slot die head and place the shim on top of the guide. Attach the front part of the slot die head and lock it in place. Next, mount the assembled slot die head to a slot die coater using a standard Allen key. With precision micrometer adjustment units, you can easily fine-tune the position of the slot die head, ensuring consistent coating thickness and perfect alignment. For even greater accuracy and repeatability, use a PC-controlled system to eliminate user errors and ensure perfect results every time. Finally, connect the slot die head to a syringe pump or gear pump using a fitting kit and start coating. After coating, disassembly and cleaning is easy and quick, minimizing downtime and maximizing lab throughput. Fully compatible with all infinityPV platforms, our slot die heads are ready to meet the demands of research, pilot, and production environments. Learn more and find the perfect slot die head for your application at infinityPV.com.